Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a little bit of cleaning. I know it's been forever since I've posted, and earlier this week when I decided that a few things needed to be done around the house, I thought I'd pull out the camera and film some to give you guys some cleaning motivation. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So I decided to get started in my son's room. He had wrapped up the day for school. This is where we homeschool him as well. So I thought I would pop in. My husband had left for the day. My son was playing. I thought I would pop in and clean up all of his books, make sure all of his papers are graded. We are nearing the end of the year for us. We actually, when you guys are watching this, we only have one day left and then we're going to the beach. We're so excited. We decided to start homeschooling this year before things went crazy with the pandemic. So when that started happening, we realized we had made a good decision to homeschool our son for 4th grade, and we've enjoyed it so much, we're actually gonna do it for 5th grade. It's not all rainbows and sunshine. It's really hard work, but we've enjoyed the flexibility. We love the one-on-one time that our son gets learning, so we've really enjoyed that. If you guys would like to see a homeschool video about what we did this year and have a look at what we're doing next year, I'm more than happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments down below and I'll share what I have learned with you guys. Once I wrapped up his room and got some laundry started, I wanted to pop into the kitchen to tidy up a few things. Our recycle and trash needed to go out, the countertops needed to be wiped down, and we needed some dishes washed. This is one thing that I've enjoyed about working from home during the pandemic, is being able to maintain things around the house. If laundry needs to be folded or something needs to be tidied up, I can just pop in and do that real quick on my lunch break and get it over with and not have to worry about the end of the day. You guys, let me know in the comments down below if there have been any pros for you, or if you've been able to work from home during the pandemic, if you've had to go out and work. I know it's looked different for everyone, so I'd really like to know in the comments down below what you guys have been doing. I don't know if you guys have noticed or if you pay that close attention in videos, but we do have a few new things in our home. My son has a new bed frame that we got just to allow him a little bit more room in his room. Plus the bed before didn't allow for jumping, and what kid doesn't want to jump on a bed? So we got him a new bed frame. We also have new chairs in the dining room here. I'm not sure if those were in my last video or not. And we have a couple of other things around the house that we've updated too. If you guys are interested in seeing that in a future video, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll kind of take you guys through the house and let you know what's new and where it came from.
I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see.
And finally, wrapping up here in my bedroom. I know this video is short. That's because this cleaning spree only took me about 30 minutes. I knew exactly what I wanted to get checked off my to-do list, so I got to work and got it done while my son was in my bedroom here playing Fortnite. I don't know if you guys could see the office chair moving there. That's not a ghost, that's him. But anyway, I hope to be back soon with a new video for you guys, and I hope you have a great week. Bye!